Hi students, welcome. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about the Newton's laws of gravitation. So there will be series of lectures where we will discuss all the topics related to Newton's law of gravitation or the gravitational. First let's understand in this lecture how did Newton approached to his theory for the Newton's law of gravitation. Was there any theory before that? Yes, there was some theory related to the gravitation, and but there was no such formula that Newton formulated. So now let's understand how Newton started to think about this Newton's law of gravitation. So as you know the famous story that once upon a time Newton was sitting beside the tree and the apple fall. So whatever. So he observed that the apple is falling down. So he thought that if you throw anything on the earth's surface, that because of its mass it is getting attracted toward the earth, it means there is some force that is pulling, and this force is due to the mass. It should be due to the mass. So he also thought that this force should also act between the earth and the moon, and that's why he thought that the moon is able to rotate about the earth. In the same way, if we look at the solar system, the sun is at the center of the solar system, and there are the different planets that are rotating around it, and because they are rotating because of the gravitational force. The gravitational force is providing the sufficient centripetal force to them to rotate. So this is how he approached to this Newton's theory, and then he concluded that each and every mass applies a gravitational force on the other mass due to its mass, known as gravitational force. So what is the gravitational force? Gravitational force is the force due to its mass that acts on the other mass. Now let's also try to understand what is the modern theory right now related to the gravitation which is developing. So according to this theory, actually gravitation is not the force, but gravitation is a space-time curve, and due to heavy objects presence, this space-time curve will bend, and that's why there is the gravitational force. As you can look in this picture, so there is the sun, around there is the earth. Because sun is a heavy mass, so this space-time curve will become curved at this place, will have the maximum radius of curvature, and because of that this earth seems to be falling always toward the sun, and this is the reason there is the gravitational force between the sun and the earth. Okay, so this is the modern theory that is being developed now. So this is about the Newton's law.